this video, we will show how to program the household settings for the filter. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. Press and hold the settings button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the time of day is shown. Then, by pressing the arrow down or up buttons, you can change the hours to the current time. Then press the settings button to advance to the minutes, and again, using the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the minutes. Press the settings button to highlight PM, and if you need to change it to AM, you can use the arrow up or down button. Press the settings button to advance to the year. Again, using the arrow up or down buttons, you can change the year. Then press the settings button. You can press the arrow up or down button to set it to the month. Press the settings button to advance to the day and make any appropriate changes. Press the settings button again and the regen days appears. In this example, the factory setting is programmed for 3 days for correct operation and efficiency. Do not adjust this setting unless you've consulted your authorized dealer or our technical services team. Press the settings button and the screen will display gallons off. This is a factory setting because the filter does not backwash based on the number of gallons used, but based upon the number of days that have passed. Press the settings button and the regeneration time is shown. If you wish to change the regeneration time, press the arrow up or down buttons to change it in 15-minute increments. Then press the settings button and you'll see load default no. If you were to change this to read yes, all the data you just entered into the control valve would be wiped out. So we definitely want to leave this as no. So press the settings button and you'll see programming complete appear on the screen, followed by the current date and time that you just programmed.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.